At the beginning of my career, I tried out beauty, fashion. It didn't work for me, obviously, because I got barely any views. But as soon as I went into vlogging, it literally popped off. Everything went sky high.
For me, doing magic shorts makes so much more sense. It's fast, it's snappy, it's visual. Sometimes creating long, big videos can be daunting. Something that's 30 seconds or less, you can make that happen.
I've actually just started out a new channel for shorts. I'm uploading, a 1-minute vlog every other day. I've seen quite a lot of traction from it,
We went from having a channel that took 10 years to get to 4,000 people,
Read the magic trick.
to then growing to 100,000 people, 100,000 to 1 million, then 1 million to 2 million.
Oh no.
1 minute, done. Love it.
It's the future, and if you haven't already started making shorts, I really think you should.
I've got many more brand opportunities through my YouTube channel because I've just put myself out there. Like, brands have seen me, they've seen what content I've created.
Really focus on your content first and make your videos as good as possible. And when you do that, the side effect is that brands will be magnetized towards you.
Use the brand organically. Use what you use in every single day of life, vlog it, make content with it, and just really integrate it into your content organically, because I think that's what really stands out to a brand, because it's authentic.
Write down your top 10 dream brands. That way you kind of have an idea as to who you would like to work with, who you might want to say no to. And that's another piece of advice, is don't say yes to everything. It can be really, really appealing, when the paychecks come and stuff. But I think your audience who know you will smell it a million miles away.
I've even been to Bali with my favorite clothing brand. It is honestly insane. As you see in the back, I had to go to Coachella. I was invited all the way to LA for a whole entire weekend, VIP passes. Honestly, it's been the most amazing year of my life.
You'll actually find, through some miracle of the universe, don't know how it works, but 4 of the brands I really, really wanted to work with have now worked with us without us ever reaching out. And I think if it's a fit, they'll find you. If you're reaching millions and millions of people, those people will want to see you off screen as well, which is something, again, I didn't really think about whenever I was posting, but it's a very, very nice side benefit. I now get to do a lot more live magic shows than I ever would have expected, and that's because YouTube gives you leverage, and having a nice big YouTube subscriber count does kind of send the message that maybe you're okay without having to prove it to them.
I've just launched my own bikini brand, which is called Kikinis, and it's a sustainable bikini brand, which I've designed myself. I've made merch before. I've made the t-shirts, I've made the hoodies. Bikinis is very on brand for me. Like, I go traveling the whole time. I basically wear them. It's my uniform. So yeah, I decided to make bikinis, and I'm so excited, and it's coming online very soon.
When I wake up in the morning, I get to look out the window and I can see the back of the building right now.
And that is where I did my first magic shows when I was 11. So I get to remember where it started and now where I am now. It's a nice little thing.
Another thing I'm also launching is a podcast, My Best Friend. I'm so excited for it. It's going to be us spilling tea on influencer life, behind the scenes, behind the brand events, basically what you don't see.
For me, the main thing is getting to do live shows with people in the flesh and blowing their minds with magic.
Where do I see my channel in the next 5 years?
I love magic, and I love creating things, and I love working with the people I'm working with right now. And if I'm still doing that in 5 years and people are still somehow watching and enjoying that, that would be a real bonus.
I evolve as my life progresses, so whatever comes next, I'm just taking week by week. In a couple of years, I could settle down, pop out a baby, have a few dogs, and then it'll turn into a family channel,
I do think possibly I'll be doing more hosting, because I like to talk and I maybe speak to other people who are talented in their areas. But for the most part, probably still doing what I'm doing now. The videos have probably changed. Goodness knows what new formats and stuff there's going to be then. But if it can involve magic and having a bit of fun and hopefully making people smile, then I'll be happy if that's the case.